just tears keep flowing, searching for memories, trying to erase the first love. Then stood alone in the middle of the broken avenue, forever immersed in the stains. The heart still keeps remembering.
Perhaps you've recently come across a music video that you couldn't imagine was entirely created by artificial intelligence. The incredible part is that the process of creating both the video and music is entirely free. In today's video, I will guide you through each step to create such masterpieces. First, you need to access our fantastic music creator, which I've linked in the video description. To start, join our Discord server and click on Chirp Beta 1. Once you're in the chat box, simply type /chirp and hit enter. The Chirp checkbox will open, and now let me guide you. In line 1, you will choose the music genre you want to create. In line 2, you can choose to use pre-written lyrics or write your own. In line 3, you can request artificial intelligence to generate lyrics for you. For example, I'll choose the blues genre and lyrics written by AI. Immediately, the lyrics will appear. Now, just wait for the music to start playing.
I picked up my pen to write on this paper. Got the blues deep down and shake off this paper. What to lose me? I picked up my pen to write on this paper. Got the blues deep down, can't shake off this vapor. Words elude me, their melodies lost.
When you have the lyrics and music, you'll receive 2 versions to choose from. Select the one you prefer and proceed to download or continue editing the song by clicking Continue. Okay, let's create another example. This time, I'll choose a pop genre and any lyrics. Here, I have pre-written lyrics. It's recommended to choose between 4 to 8 lines for the best results.
It's just the longing behind a lost love. It's just a dream that brings with it a world of longing and nostalgia. It's just that the pain of sobbing just stays a little more. Just tears keep filling, searching for memories, trying to erase the first love. Then stood alone in the middle of the broken avenue, forever immersed in the stains. The heart still keeps remembering. It's just the longing behind a lost love. It's just a dream that brings with it a world of longing and nostalgia. It's just the pain of sobbing just stings a little more. Just tears keep flowing, searching for memories, trying to erase the first love. Then stood alone in the middle of the broken avenue, forever immersed in the stains. The heart still keeps remembering.
Continue creating your song. Next, we will use Renwaymo to create a video for our virtual singer. Access Renwaymo and log in with your Google account. Then, select text to video and provide a general description. For example, singer Camila Cabello is performing, and press generate. Download the entire video. Finally, open your video editing software. Import all the songs and videos you've created from Renwaymo. Merge all the video and audio files together. After you've finished editing, select Export. If you want to remove watermarks, you can visit apowersoft.com, choose Remove Watermark from Video, select the area to erase, and click Erase. Finally, download your edited video. Now, you have a complete music video in your unique style. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave any questions or comments in the comments section.